Welcome to the Formlab Premier League preview. We start our weekend with a look at Spurs v Chelsea, which kicks off on Saturday at 12:45. Undoubtedly, this is probably the match of the weekend, as unbeaten Chelsea travel to Spurs, who have lost only 3 of the last 23 home games, and we're on a 4-game win streak. Let's put that into context, and we'll show you via a pre-match query. If we look at the results for Spurs at home since the start of last season and Chelsea away since the start of last season, looking specifically at the match outcome, as we mentioned, Spurs have won 15 out of 23, losing just 3. And that would have produced actually a small loss, and actually that's to average odds. So if you're taking best odds, you might be looking at a small profit there. If we switch to Chelsea away, it's a different story. Backing Chelsea away would have produced a loss of minus 7.1 points and a small profit actually opposing them. So the value, it seems here, might be on the side of Spurs. But what might be of most interest is the match goals. However, we've got some contrasting stats here. On the face of it, Spurs at home have been unders 52% of the time. Chelsea have been unders 59% of the time. So it does seem like unders is the bet to go with here. However, one thing that puts us off is the way that Villas-Boas sets his teams up. So if we go back to another pre-match query and look at all Spurs games under the current manager, and you click to look at that, but let's show you what I made earlier. Under Villas-Boas, so far, Spurs, in all their games, have been over 57% of the time. Now that complies with his record when he was managing Chelsea of being over 2.5 goals in 16 out of 27 games when he was at Chelsea. So, for us, Spurs versus Chelsea is no bet.